Yaheetech Mesh chairs, are they any good? Let's find out. We've got two here. Go on, open it and let's see what's in the box. It's about £55 from Amazon. Link in the description. Oh, this is the white one. We've got two. We've got a white one and a grey one. They're the arms. It's quite a compact box coming. That's the back. Well, that's the seat. So that's the seat. That's the back. And that's the base. Oops. Careful. Nothing else. No instructions. Oh yeah. Some instructions. That is a small base. Plastic. Unlike that chair there, we've got metal. Sorry. And we got the under chair mechanism. So this should be the screws and the wheels. The wheels on the bus. There we go. Oh yeah, the cylinder. That's a small cylinder. What's that? 1, 2, 5, 6. 6-inch cylinder. Don't think you're gonna have much height to this chair. Step 1 is to slot the wheels into the base. Oh, you slot them in. You don't screw them in. You just push them. Is that it? That's it, isn't it? How did they go in? You just there, push them in. That's not in. Bend it a bit. No, flex them, yeah, like that. So that's how you slot them in. You got instructions, but you don't really need. Yeah. Roll in. Let's look at the base. Yeah, it's okay. Good movement. Next step is to put the cylinder in. Just slot it in. That's it. That's the cylinder in. And then the cover for the cylinder. See, easy so far. It's all going along quite easily. Now we come to the base, the seat. Yeah, we're going to have to screw in. Get that thing out. We're going to have to screw that in. Now let's have a look at the instructions. There we go. Make sure you get the front and the rear right. Takes 4 screws. Yeah. Seat is pretty clear. You got a label says front on the seat and a label says front on the mechanism. And all the screws are the same size. This is very easy to assemble. You know, might as well make a start on the second one. Yeah. Get them both assembled. And look how they compare. This is easy. So I'm just going to get the screws. There we go. Oh, look how easy this is. Don't need instructions. Well, the instructions are pretty basic. I'll tighten them at the end. So this is the one with the white arms. Black chair with white arms. And that one is the grey one. Yeah, move the cover. Don't mix them up. There you got the instructions. This is the grey one. Move the boxes out of the way. So do the wheels first. Flip, then put the mechanism on the back. How's it going? turn it upside down, and then put weight. Oh, right, that one's going a little harder. Let me have a look at that one. Let's have a look. What is it? Hold it. Stop it from moving. Turn it upside down. Why is that not going in? This one's in. This one's not in. That one's in. Why is this one not going in? What's that off? Broke a bit off. Yeah? Good. These are in. Yeah, it's going in. Right, let me put weight on it. Yeah, it's in, sort of. Is it this one? That one's not in. Yeah. This one's not in. You just need some weight on them. Yeah, they're all in. Just need some weight pushing down on them. But they're all in now. Alright, you can continue. Yeah, put the cylinder in. Look at the instructions. You just slot it in. Other way. Yeah, that way. That's it. Then put that on top. Yeah, that's it. Easy. Next, do the base. Screw that in. You've got Allen key there. Okay, so what am I doing? Step 4. Oh yeah, the arms. You've got one hole. Where's the other hole? You can see where it goes in. That's not good, is it? They didn't even make a hole. I'm going to have to rip the fabric to make my own hole. Poor quality control. Yeah. Some foam. Here's the foam as well. It's not good quality control, is it? Alright. Pain because there's a little bit of foam you have to get rid of. Yeah. Done. Poor quality control. So we'll lose a mark for that. Let's put the arm on. How does it go? Like so, is it? Yeah. There we go. Same screws, all using the same size screw. Yeah. Come on. That's the arm, one arm. I'll do the same for the other side and we'll attach it to the back. Tighten it when I've finished. And finally we come to attaching the back. Here we go, 4 screws needed for that. And we give you an extra screw by the looks of it. The back is very light. This is light. It's a lightweight chair. Okay. So it goes like so. That's how it fits in. Put the screws in. Position it. Very fidgety. Can I do this? It's probably this way on its side. Yeah, that's better. So it's best to do it on its side. Attach the back. Like so. Come on. Can't do it by hand because there's no gap. Yeah. So it's nearly done. Not long at all. Come out. Just screw these in, and that's the chair done. Now I'm just going to slot it onto the base. Just put the middle through. Okay, this is in the way. There we go. Done. Sit on it, see if I can take my weight. Ooh. He's feeling it. Oh, with that latch. Can it take my weight? Ooh. I'm not feeling very steady on this. So it's got this. Start to raise it. Oh, this can go quite high. Oh, it's got a lot of height to it. The cylinder can go quite high. I don't know if this thing can I lean back on it though, that's the question. Alright, let's lower the cylinder. First impressions are, yeah, it's got a lot of height to it. So first impressions are, it's got a lot of height to it. Look at that, that goes up a lot. That is higher than chair that costs 3 times that amount. So that's good. When I looked at the cylinder, I thought that's a bit small, but it goes up pretty far. Now, as for the leaning, I'm not sure about that. It's center of gravity, I'm not so sure. Especially for someone my weight. How far have you come? Are you nearly finished? Yeah, it looks like you're done. You just slot it on there once it's done. Just line it up, place it on top, and that's it. That's it. Finished. Try it. It's got a good cylinder, good height to it. Now pull the lever. You have to get off it. There, now sit down. That is quite high. Lean back. More. Fully. Is it alright? Does it flex? Does it lean back a lot? So it's okay for someone around 130 pounds. For me, it feels like I'm going to topple over backwards. I don't think it's made. No, lean back. No, sit properly. Put it against the back. No, alright, lower the height. It's too high for you. Pull the lever. You have to sit on it to go down. Now lean back fully. Fully? Is that fully? So it's good for a teenager. For me, when I sit on this, it feels like it's going to go backwards. But it is. That is good chair in terms of height. So a lot of these gaming chairs, they don't seem to be tall. And it can take my weight. Oh, but I feel like I'm going to fall over if I go back. Oh, yeah, come here, come behind me, hold it in case I go back. But let me put it next to the bed. Right. Now come here, hold me in case I go. I'm going to lean back now. Is it touching the bed? No. Okay, I was imagining it can take my weight. That's good. So that's the Yaheetech computer chairs. I think it's about £55 from Amazon. And we bought 2. Of the 2, I think the black and white one looks better. Which one do you think looks better? You like that one? Which one do you like? Eh? Why? Is it more? Oh yeah, it's more officey. Yeah, in an office environment this will be better, but they're good. I like the height the best. I think this is more suited to a gaming for a teenager. That's more suited for, say, an office student. Fabric, what's the fabric like? Yeah, when you sit on him, you can't feel. They're quite comfy. Sit on it. Is it comfy? You can't feel the bottom. Maybe over time the sponge will settle and you'll feel the bottom. Is it okay? What'd you rate out of 10? Eh? 7 out of 10, why? It's a chair. It's a chair. Yeah, I rate it for the price. I rate it 9 out of 10. It loses a bit because quality control is missing a hole for the screw, but other than that it's very easy to put together. Just the Allen key, same size screws, nothing fancy. Very easy, very cheap. This is only about £55, something like that. That's the Yaheetech chairs. Which one do you want? You can choose. Do you want that one? It's an improvement on this old dead chair. Oh, battery's done.